Hi everyone, it's Lisa here. I've just finished up with the Aligning Business with Purpose workshop for the founding members of Ripple Effect, which is our new business coaching program. And it was just a beautiful couple of hours. We spent some time together unpacking what brought us to meditation originally, and what kind of values we want to express through our business. And this really helped people to get more aligned with their purpose and what their reason, what their why is for developing their meditation business. And I think that's a really important foundation for us going forward when we start exploring our business and our marketing and all those other, the content, everything that we create in our meditation businesses, because the values that our meditation business rests on are the foundations for everything. And in the session, we created a values wall, which was a collection of everyone's values, or most people's values. And it was so beautiful to see the richness and the depth in people's sharings around the values that they really want to bring into their business. I hope that it's created a wonderful foundation for everyone, and I'm so excited moving forward as to what we're going to build on top of this foundation.